So, hello from SB Chaos. Um, this is a response to Bums on a Boat request for and an acronym for boat. Well, on SB Chaos, we have been using buy one and travel. And that is what you do when you buy a boat is you buy one so you can travel. And so that's what I came up with. And well, that is unless you buy one to work on one, which that sometimes seems what it's like when you buy a boat, especially if you plan on cruising on it and living long term. You can find yourself with quite a laundry list of housekeeping chores and little fix-it projects and major fix-it projects. If you look hard enough, you can find insane projects that you need to get done. And that's just all part of living on a boat, though. So, for boat, buy one and travel. Way better than bust out another 1,000. At least it doesn't hurt when you say it, because whenever I say bust out another 1,000 as a boat owner, somewhere inside it hurts just a little bit, because it's true. Bye. Till next time.